This fun to use program is called Google SketchUp. It's a freeware. There's also a professional level. This particular drawing was made using Google SketchUp, and we will go through the steps of how it makes from a solid figure to a mesh see-through figure. This figure appears whenever you start SketchUp. It's easily removed, and we'll show you shortly. Move your mouse pointer to the image of a mouse pointer as indicated and click. When you move your mouse pointer to the image on the screen and click, it becomes encased in a rectangle. Three things now. Go to Edit, then Cut, then click. The figure is cut, so to continue we go up to the rectangle as indicated on the figure and select that. You could use this rectangle as well. The object here is to draw a rectangle along the green axis. As you see in the picture, the rectangle will be skewed because it is reflecting the three-dimensional drawing here. Okay, so now what you need to do is move the mouse pointer to a point on the green axis and slide, holding the left button down, slide the mouse along the line and then out, and you will see a little release, and you will see a little rectangle will be formed. This amazing tool makes a three-dimensional object out of a two-dimensional object. You will have to see this to believe it. Upon selecting the tool, move the mouse pointer to the rectangle. When you release the mouse button, the 3D tool is indicated on the rectangle as well as a bunch of dots. You hold down the mouse button at this point and move your tool upward, and you will see that the rectangle will become a cubic figure. Interested in making a second cube, so we follow the procedure by selecting the rectangle and drawing along the green axis, and that's as you know how to do. The 3D tool is once again selected because we want to move this rectangle into a cube, so we select it, go down to the rectangle, and are ready to pull it up to make the cube. The rectangle is drawn up, and as you can see, we now have two cubes. Select a circle instead of a rectangle. Move your mouse pointer to a flat surface and plant it by holding down the mouse button, and then spread the circle with the button down, and you will see what it looks like. Select the 3D tool once again and bring the icon to the center of the circle. Once again, you'll see the icon for the 3D tool plus the dots. With your mouse pointer on the 3D tool, drag it through the two cubes and you will find you will have formed a cylinder. Here we start to form another cube. Select the 3D tool again. Form the third cube. Here we begin forming another cylinder. We push the cylinder through the two blocks and possibly through the other cylinder. To me, this is an amazing part. We go to Windows, we go down to Materials. When you click on Materials, another menu drops down and there's a variety, unbelievable, of all sorts of materials. For this demo, I am going to fencing and picking this blue fence. Click on the blue and you will see that it is selected at the top of the menu. Really unbelievable. You click on the side of the cube now and you can see inside of the cube where you have clicked. Clicking a different place. This we see that the one cylinder partially intersected the other. For a variety of reasons, one might want a different kind of fence or meshing here. Click on another surface and you will see that once again you can see through this mesh. Continue to click with the new mesh. I like to work in drawing programs, so in many of these programs you can't simply save, you must export. And here this is the procedure that I use to export. Pick a unique name for the file and remember where you save it.